welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheryl. If you're new to this, I am starting on my YouTube channel to recreate all the inspired makeup looks, but I do hair tutorials and how to style series. You can check out all my playlists, which I'll link down at the right hand corner here. If you're part of the fam, welcome back. I'm so excited to share with you my new makeup routine today. With that being said, there will be a lot of skincare in this tutorial. I'm gonna be showing you my skincare prep before my makeup, also the minimal makeup, yet it's giving this glow, very lifting, very fresh face. For today's tutorial, it's more of the skincare preparations and how little products you can put onto your face to give you a very fresh, very glowy. I have zero contour, zero foundations. So if you want to know what is my skin preparations before my makeup and how I achieve this super glowy and fresh look, please keep on watching. But before we get onto it, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, and also don't forget to click the bell notifications so you get notified whenever I post on my YouTube channel. And without further ado, let's get started. What I do for a new makeup routine is that I like to use my thermal spring water. This is really nice for calming, effects, like really calm your skin. I like to start off with this to just kind of like freshen up my face a little bit more. I like to apply my skincare products with my hands, so make sure to keep your hands very clean before you start with your skincare. First thing I'm going to be using is this from Dr.Jart. This is a moisturizing toner. This is a travel size package. The consistency, it's not super watery. It has a little bit of like gel-like. So this is when you use it after cleansing your face. I like the texture, I like the smell, and it just gives my skin a very healthy glow. This is very nourishing to my skin. It makes my skin feel more hydrated, and it also makes my skin instantly glowing. Next thing, I'm going to be using this, and this is a Vita Hydra Solutions. It's an essence, also from Dr.Jart. The bottle looks like this. It's also a travel size package. I use this after I put on a toner. This can help to maintain balance across your skin. It works to calm and comfort the irritated area that suffer from sensitivity. It makes you feel like it doesn't leave anything. The consistency is quite watery, very lightweight. I have a relatively sensitive skin, so this can actually help to comfort, to calm my skin. This is very watery. So I'm just gonna use my fingers to distribute the products. I like to massage my skincare product into the skin. I just think that this will help my skin to absorb the skincare better and just make my complexion look much more healthier after applying. The next thing I'm gonna go is this serum moisturizing. It's also from Dr.Jart. You can apply morning and night on the entire face. It is very lightweight and it absorbs easily on the skin. This serum can quickly feel watering feeling and make your skin smooth and comfortable. It's also good as a makeup base as well. Also, this leaves my face feeling very hydrated and very comfortable. To give that kind of that glowy to the face as well. And of course, after putting all the moisturizing, you definitely need to retain your moisture and lock into your face. So that's why I am using this, also from the Dr.Jart. This is a cream and it's a moisture retention. This is to help to retain a healthy skin. The consistency is thick, but somehow it just melts into my skin so smoothly and perfectly. Very smooth, instantly makes my face feel and very velvety. Next thing, I'm gonna be using this. This is also from the Dr.Jart. This is a calming gel cream. I like to use it because it's super lightweight, non-greasy. You can apply evenly on the whole face, or you can just apply on the acne areas because it can calm the acne. I have some acne on my face and it gets really irritated, so I like to put this cream to kind of calm them down. So I'm gonna tap it on the affected area and I'm just tap it with my fingers. I'm gonna be using this Rose facial roller. I like to go in just to give it a little bit of that facial massage. I go in very lightly, and also at the same time I'm pressing the products into my skin. Alright, now that I'm done, I'm going straight to my lip balm. This is from the Burt. You know that I love this lip balm. It's really nice. It really moistures my lips because I do have very dry lips, and I had times when my lips are super dry and it keeps peeling off. I use so many lip balm and nothing can help me except for Burt lip balm. This actually saved my lip. And I'm gonna go straight to my eyebrow to lift up my eyebrow. Next, I'm gonna go ahead with my sunscreen. This is my current favorite sunscreen. I like to use it because it's super lightweight. It balances my complexions as well. Then I'm just going in. I like to use it because it instantly changes my complexions to make it more balanced, not too much of the hyperpigmentations. Alright, now I'm gonna go straight to my eyebrow while I am waiting for all the products to really set on the skin. What I like to do is I'm just gonna go in and fill in the gap. To me, like, eyebrow is really important for no makeup look. So I like to go in with my concealer to define my eyebrow. If only there's anything, then I will just go in and touch up. I'm gonna go in with my concealer. This is from the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm gonna tap it on those areas to cover my redness, my acne as well. I'm gonna skip the foundations. I'm just gonna use the concealer to cover. I'm going in with my beauty blender, pressing the concealer into my skin, give that coverage. I'm going in with a second layer, and for the second time, I'm just gonna leave it here for a while. This will actually give more coverage when you leave the concealer on your skin for a while before you start pressing the product into the skin. And I'm gonna go right in with a lighter concealer, my under eye. I'm gonna drag it all the way up to my temple area to lift up my eyes. And I'm using at the back, which is a much more rounder. Really press it in to add some more glowy. I'm gonna go in with my backup. I'm just gonna put it on the higher cheekbone, give that extra glowy to my skin. For the eyes, I'm gonna put on any eyeshadow. I'm just gonna go right in with my eyelash color. I'm using mascara from Stila, and I don't want to use too much, so I'm trying to clean it up a little bit and put it on to my lashes. It instantly gives so much difference to the eyes. I like to put just a little bit at the lower lash line, and I'm gonna go in with my KatVonD eyeliner just to draw a little bit of that wing out to kind of, you know, elongate my eyes a little bit. Alright, the eyes are pretty much done. I'm gonna go right into my Nars lipstick. I like to use it as my blushes. I'm gonna put it on my cheekbone here, a little bit on my nose. I want it to be like across my face. Then I'm gonna go in with my brush. I'm gonna go in with my Benefit Soft Focus highlighter. It gives that very natural glow to my face. So I'm gonna add this into my higher cheeks and using my fingers to diffuse the products and create a super natural highlight. I'm gonna use this at the inner corner of my eyes, my nose, my cupid bow. I'm gonna go right into my nose again. I'm just gonna dab it on my lip and then using my finger to distribute it, just to give it a natural lip color. Last but not least, I'm gonna be using my current absolute favorite lip balm, and it is from the Fenty Beauty, and the color that I'm gonna be using today is Latte Lips. This is so moisturizing and just make my lip look so good. Alright guys, this is the final look of today's new makeup routine. I hope you guys really like it, enjoy this, and this is pretty much what I like to put because I feel very fresh even though I have makeup on my face. I really love to moisturize my skin to make sure that my skin glows so that you don't have to use a lot of makeup products if you prep your skin well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, and don't forget to click the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post on my YouTube channel. Make sure to check out my Instagram over here. I do post on a daily basis, and if you want to know more of my personal lifestyles, you can definitely check out my Instagram over here. Come and say hi to me. I would love to get to know you girls even more. I love you girls, and I'll see you girls in my next video.